Everyone, I am B.V.S.Jayasurya from Thought CSA. Welcome to my Sport Scheduler project named Sportopia. This is my entire server.js code base. Let us run this code and direct to the dashboard of my Sport Scheduler project. Let us run the code. Run server.js. You can see the server is running on the localhost 3000. By clicking on this, you can see this is my dashboard. In Sportopia, you can plan and organize sports events. Here, there are two personas in this project: the administrator, who manages available sports, and several players who create and join sports sessions. The main key features of this project is you can schedule games. You can schedule upcoming games and events with intuitive scheduling tools, and also manage teams. You can create and manage teams effortlessly, assign roles, and track team performance. You can also view the reports of the various sessions created by the admin. Let us Let us go to the login page. There are two roles. One is the admin and another is the player. Uh, Before login, if you don't have an account, you first go to the register page. Here there are three input fields. One is the name, and the next one is email and password, and also the role of the whether you are a player or you are an admin. You can select this role and mention your details and get registered. First, you have to register. Then the name is Kiran. Email, password. First, I am selecting the role as admin. I will show you the admin dashboard first. Here you can see you have registered successfully. Then you can log in. You can see this is my admin dashboard. Here there are different sections like sports section and create section, and also the sessions that are already created by the admin. Let us first see the sports section. In the sports section, you can create a sport and also view the all existing sports created by the admin. Okay, let's create a sport cricket. You can see the cricket is added here in the sports section. You can also the admin can also create session for the respective sport. You can see when you click on create session in the on, on cricket sport, the create session for cricket form will be open. And also similarly for basketball, he can create. Also for baseball, volleyball, he can create. For any sport, he can create session. There are various fields like team one, team two, and also date and venue. You can give the details of the teams and also mention date and venue and create a session. Let us create a session for volleyball. Okay, I am creating session for cricket. Team one, Surya, team two, Rudvi. We are organizing this session on July 2nd. And venue will be Vishnu Sports Complex. You can see here under cricket sport, a session is created. You can see by the, uh, after creating session, you can also edit or delete the session. Let us see the edit session. Here, this is the session that has already created for the cricket sport, and the details are team one is Surya, team two is Prithvi's team. And you can also change the name of the team leaders and also change the dates. Here I am giving date as July 4th updating date as July 4th. Initially it is, you can see it is July 2nd, and also I'm also naming the changing the name of team to leader. It will be Venkat. When you click on the save changes option, you can see here the team to lead name is updated as Venkat, and the session is updated as July 4th, and also you can see created by the admin Kiran. You can also delete the session created by the admin by clicking on deleting. You can see the basketball session has been deleted. Let us see the player dashboard. Before going to the player dashboard, an admin can also view the reports of whatever reports that he of whatever sessions that has been created or the sessions that has been joined by other players or else. Let us go to the reports page. You can see for cricket sport there is a session, and also volleyball also. Here the sport popularity for every sport, how many number of sessions has been created will be displayed here. Let's go back to the admin dashboard and log out here. Similarly, you can register for the player role and also get login. You can see this is the player dashboard. In player dashboard, the play in the first section will be the sports section. Uh, Only the admin has the possibility to create the sports. Whatever the sports that have been created by the admin can be seen in the player dashboard sports section. Here the sports created by the admin are cricket, basketball, baseball, volleyball. For these sessions only, for these sports only, he or she can create the sessions. Let us create a session for baseball. Here in the create session form, mm, the first field is the players of the team one. We can enter the details of the player one, team one player names, and let us add the team one player name. And also here add player button is also there. You can mention how many members in the respective team. You can add that number of team members names. Here I am adding two names in the team one, and also you can also mention the additional players needed for the team one. I am entering as three needed. You can all next in the team two players. You can mention the names of the player names. Here also I am entering two names of team two, and also you can mention the additional players needed for team two, and date you can mention. I'm mentioning as July 6th, and I can also mention the time for the I'm giving as 10:30 a.m. Venue will be Vishnu Sports Complex. Here you can see after creating sessions, this session is created by the especially by the player. You can see the session for baseball is created. Well, team one players and additional players needed for team one, team two players and additional players needed for team two, and the date, time, and venue has been displayed. You can also view the existing session. As you can see in the previous in the admin page, we have created session in the cricket, and that session will also be displayed in the player. So the player has the possibility to join the sessions created by the admin already. Here he can join the session as well as this is my entire player dashboard. Let us go to the code base. This is the before seeing this. Let me show my database also. Here I have used PostgreSQL for connecting uh, I have used PostgreSQL for as a database. Whatever the details that have been will go to the PG admin. Let us use the PG admin. Here in PG admin, I have created 5 tables. The tables are admins, session players, sessions, ports, and users. In the users table, you can see that is when we are logging or getting this, when we are registering, the details are getting stored in this users table. Here ID, the email, password, role, and name. The role can be player or admin. You can see, and the password has been hashed here. Let us see the sports table. Here, the sports I have created is basketball, baseball, volleyball, cricket. These are the sports created by the admin. Let us go to the sessions table. Here you can see the sessions created by the admin. Uh, the fields are ID, sport ID, creator ID, team 1, team 2, venue, date. Let us see the session players table. See the admin. This is my entire data, whether that would be sessions or that would be sports or that would be the user details. Here is the code base. This is my admin dashboard .ejs file. Similarly, this is my reports page. This is my reports. This is my reports file, and this is my registered .ejs file. This is my home page. That is dashboard of my project file. This is the database. Connecting the database to the. This is my player dashboard .ejs. Let's log go to the dashboard. Thank you all for giving me. Thank you to the Prashant sir for giving me this opportunity for building this code scheduler project, and also to all my friends who helped me in doing this. Thank you everyone.